Hi everyone, this is Librarian Courtney here to give you a quick video tutorial of the library's homepage. This will be one of a series of research tips and skills videos designed to help you find the research and information that you need. As you can see here, this is the library's website. There are multiple different components, and this will be a very quick, very basic overview to help you get started. I'd like to point out here on the right-hand side that you see the live chat pop-up box. That will always be present on the library's website, and anytime the library is open, there is a librarian who is monitoring the chat, so if you have questions or need help, you can always chat with a librarian. If you fill out a question on the chat after the library is closed, that will get emailed to us. We'll check it in the morning and respond to you. What I want to also point out is the "what are you looking for" bar at the top of the page. This can be a really quick, really easy way to locate the information that you need. You'll notice that it defaults to articles here, so if you know that you need to find an article for one of your classes, you can just type in the search bar here, and that can look something like this. Let's say you're looking for information about molecular biology. Go ahead and enter that, and then you will get a list of results here that you can sort through. I'm going to show you how to filter results in a later video. The purposes of this one is just to show you how to get started. If you know that you need a book for one of your classes, you can toggle over to the Books and Media tab and type in the title, the author, the keywords, whatever you would like. One thing that I think is really helpful if you know that you're looking for articles and journals is to identify this first link under Find Information, the article and database search. When you click this, it takes you to the landing page of all the databases that we subscribe to and that you have access to. 24/7 access, by the way, from wherever you are located. And here's that live chat pop-up box again. You can always minimize it or X out of it. The reason that I like this page is because you'll notice there's an All Subjects drop-down menu right here, and this will help you very quickly navigate to relevant databases, because as you can see, the library has 686 different databases. We certainly don't expect you to know which database is going to be the most helpful for you just off the top of your head. So the All Subjects drop-down menu looks like this, and it's a really easy way to just narrow down to the databases that you need. For instance, if you are in a biology class or are doing biology-related research, we can go directly to the biology subject page, and now we are given 35 databases that will be helpful if you are doing biology-related research. That's certainly better than scrolling through 686 databases and trying to determine which is the best one. You'll notice at the top here, there are always some best bets listed that just happen to be some of the most frequently used databases for that topic. But you can scroll through the entire list here. Every database has a description, and you can just click the link to get into that database. If you know that you are looking for books, what I would recommend doing is going to the catalog, which is called IUCAT. It's the second link under Article and Database Search. And that's just because you have a little more advanced options. You can search by keyword if you're just looking topically. If you have a specific title and author, you can search that way as well. Also notice the All IUCAT button that is right here. When you search the library's catalog, it will default to IU Southeast because it recognizes that you're a Southeast student. but also remember that you have access to the physical collections at all other IU library campuses. So sometimes if we don't have a title, you can expand to include all IUCAT, and there may be a title available at Bloomington that you can have sent here. One thing to make note of is that if you are accessing the library, perhaps the best way to do that is just go directly to our URL, which is ius.edu/library. You can also go to just Google us, IU Southeast Library. If you access the library through one IU, then you will want to make sure that you type in IU Southeast Library so that it doesn't accidentally take you to the Bloomington libraries, and then restrict you getting access into the databases. So this is just a very, very quick overview of how to access articles and how to access books. And in some later videos, we'll be going into more specific research strategies and tips.